In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Mcgraw Hill discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Mcgraw Hill discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called Simply Codes, and right here you'll see that we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. I'm just going to wait a little bit for the page to load up. So right here we have the list with the promo codes. Let's say, for example, that you want to get this 20% discount. Simply select the button where it says your code, and the promo code will show up right here, and we should be able to copy it and apply on our next order. So this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this one and use it to get a 20% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Retrieve. So here we have the list with the promo codes. You can, for example, select this one with a 20% discount. You can tap right here where it says copy code, and this is a promo code right here. So you can just select and copy this promo code, and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 20% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.